everybody, and welcome back to another video where today I'll be showing you guys is a unboxing video. So right here I have a new you see by the title, this is actually an iPhone 6 and I actually bought it on eBay. This is from eBay and it's refurnished, so it's like kind of like used. There might be a few scratches. I bought the iPhone 6 64 gig, the gold kind. Yeah, the gold one. So yeah, I just want to get straight to unboxing. I went to the mailbox and I just found it. I think I left it in the mailbox for maybe like 2 or 3 days. I don't even know why I bring scissors. Maybe there's like plastic stuff, but I hope it's not fake like other eBay stuff. This was like used, so it's a little bit cheaper because like normal iPhone 6 are like 400 if you want a new one. So yeah, wait, this is taking me a while, you guys. Oh my god, just rip off like a normal pack. Okay, wait, I'll be back. And also it's unlocked, and there's no SIM card, so you need a SIM card, but there's unlocked, so it means you can use any carrier. Okay, I'm getting into it, you guys. Oh, I never also had an iPhone 6 either. An iPhone at all. I never unboxed like an iPhone 6. I only have like maybe an iPod. Oh, it has a different box. I wish it was the Apple box because it's a used one. That's why it's a different box. Okay, wait. I will be opening it. I decided just cutting it off because that's just much easier. Yep, that's easier. Oh, I'm just gonna shake it. Oh, this is a different thing, so it's not really gonna be. So ready for the final reveal? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Wow. I've been waiting this for days. I've been waiting for this phone for days. Where's the scratches? Okay, there's only like right here. There's only like a few scratches. You can't even see the scratches. I'm serious. It's kind of dirty right here, but it's okay. Wait, let me take off this annoying sticker thing. Guys, I'm triggered. Why do they have to put this sticker? Now it's stuck on my. Anyway, let's just get into the iPhone. Wow, I bought the iPhone 6 because it's perfect and it's not too big or not too small. Because big phones are annoying. So yeah. Oh wow, I picked the gold one because it looks so pretty, like literally so pretty. So yeah, here's the iPhone 6. Here's the headphone jack. Here's the power button. Here's the switching thing. Yeah, the switching thing right here where you can turn off your phone completely. Here's the volume up. So yeah, let's get into more in the box. So more in the box is I think the charger. Yeah, there's only the charger. They didn't give me the headphones because this is used, so I have to buy my headphones. The headphones themselves. But yeah, here's the charger. Nobody wants to charge, mostly effective. Okay, I'm gonna try to take this off because this is getting very annoying. Why is it here now? Oh, you guys, I found most of the scratches on the screen, but you barely can't see it unless you like zoom so closely in. And right now I'm recording on an LG. My old phone is an LG. Now I have an iPhone. I'm so happy. You guys, I'm still taking off the sticker. The sticker's still stuck a little bit on it, but I'm taking it slowly. So wait. You guys, I just got like a kind of hand sanitizer wipe, and I don't know if my finger, it's like kind of like a bit like where there's like some hand sanitizer on it. So let me see if it will maybe like take it off. I think it will, and also I'm gonna be cleaning my phone because this is maybe dirty from other people touching. You guys, guess what? I finally took it off. It's gone. So yeah, here's the full 360 of it. It's a little bit dirty in the front still, so yeah, it's a little bit dirty. There's still a little bit of like sticky residue here and stuff. So yeah, it came in like. It didn't come in the original box. It came in a different box because this is used. So yeah, let's try to see if it will open now. Let's just hold the button. Oh, there it is. Wow. Now I need to set it up and then, yeah, so let's just start waiting. It's dirty. Oh my god, the screen is dirty. I don't like this. Get off. I need more hand sanitizer, that means, because there's still like so much residue. Why does person didn't even clean the top of the screen, kind of like clean it, please. This is my first time being this is gonna be my first time being an Apple user. So I never had like an Apple or iPhone or stuff. I only had like an iPod before, and that's it. So no SIM card, install, no pin lock to FA phone. Okay, there's no SIM card, so yeah. I'm just gonna start everything, and I'll be back when I finish the thing. So yeah, you guys. The problem is there's no SIM card. I told you guys earlier, so it's gonna be later on because right now there's no SIM card, so I can't actually unlock it now. So I'll make another part 2 video of to unlock how when I locked it and it will work. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy and bye. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and if you subscribe, you might win the iPhone. This is mine, but maybe you'll get one lucky and get one.